Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Milo Chin Chin. This is equivalent to chocolate chin chin. It's just that we are using a brand called Milo. Continue watching to find out how I make this delicious chin chin. To make this Milo Chin Chin, I'll be using 500 grams of flour, which I've already sieved. I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of sugar, pinch of salt. You can add more sugar depending on your taste. I'll be using Milo powder. You can also supplement this with chocolate powder. For this Milo Chin Chin, I'll be using the baking method. You can add baking powder. Add everything together, mix to combine. When I'm done mixing all the dry ingredients, I'll be adding butter. I will mix the butter until it has a crumbly texture. When I'm done mixing the butter, I will add egg. I'm using 1 egg. Then I will mix to combine. I'll also add milk. I'll be adding milk bit by bit. You can use water. I'll be adding the milk bit by bit and continue mixing until a dough is formed. I'll be mixing until a dough is formed. Then I can now leave it to rest for like 15 minutes. After about 15 minutes, I'll bring out the dough from the fridge. I will sprinkle some flour on the surface. Then cut out some dough. Then I will roll flat the dough. When I'm done rolling out the dough, with the help of a pizza cutter, I will cut the dough into my desired shape and size. For this Milo Chin Chin, I'll be using the oven baked method. So at this stage, I've already preheated the oven. I will lay a parchment of baking paper on the oven tray. I will pick out the cut dough and place them on the oven tray. I will make sure that I spread out the cut dough to avoid sticking. When I'm done spreading out the cut dough, I'll be putting them into the oven and allow to bake. After about 5 minutes, Open the oven and turn the chin-chin so that the both sides will be baked properly. Then put back and allow to bake further for about 5 minutes more. Finally, the Milo baked chin-chin is ready. You allow it to cool, then you can enjoy this Milo chocolate baked chin-chin. I hope you can see how easy it is to make your oven baked Milo chin-chin. This chin-chin is so tasty, crunchy and so easy to make. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.